Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of Polkadot, that is DOT, Avalanche, that is AVAX, Chainlink, Polygon and TRON. Before starting their technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. So let's begin the technical analysis. I have opened the chart of DOT against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at this coin, it is currently moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this triangle formation when it gave closing below 6.034 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 3.802 and that final target has already been achieved in this candle. Currently, prices are consolidating at 5.016. So if you have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, so that exit point will be at 5.527. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength and that strength level is also 5.527, and the next strategy is a sell on strength the next strategy is a sell on new breakdown, and we will get the confirmation that it has submitted a new breakdown when it will give closing below 3.802. When it will give closing below 3.802, we will see a huge drop in its prices, and when it will submit a new breakdown, I will share the new levels on downside about this coin, that is dot against the USDC. So if you don't miss that alerts and those levels, if it submit new breakdown in this coin in upcoming days, so for that simply subscribe my channel so you don't miss that informative content. The next coin is AVAX. If we look at the AVAX against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation when it gave closing below 36 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 22.41, and that final target has already been achieved in these candles. Currently, prices are consolidating at 22.95. So if you have bought this coin at high rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point will be around 29. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. The first strategy is sell on strength and that strength level is also 29. The next strategy is the next strategy is sell on new breakdown. We will get a new breakdown when it will give closing below 21. So when it will give closing below 21, it will submit a new breakdown and we will see a huge drop in its prices in upcoming days if it will give a new breakdown. If it will not give a new breakdown, then we will see the price will consolidate around 29. So if you want to get alerts when it will give a new breakdown and what will be the upcoming levels on downside, so for such alerts, you can subscribe my this YouTube channel. The next coin is Link. So as this coin is moving in its downtrend, and Polkadot, that is dot, is also moving in its downtrend. So I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. So we will get the initial confirmation that AVAX has entered into its uptrend when it will give closing above 29, and we will get the initial confirmation in a dot that it has entered into its uptrend when it will give closing above 5.527. So before these two levels, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into these coins. The next coin is Link, Chainlink. So if we look at the trend of Link against the USDC on the 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in its downtrend and it has submitted a new breakdown where it has given a breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 15.37 in this candle. Currently prices are moving at 15.50. It means that they are exactly consolidating around their new breakdown, and as this coin is moving this downtrend, so we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is the sell on new breakdown, and we have confirmation that this coin has submitted a new breakdown in this candle, and that level is 15.37. And the second strategy in this coin is that this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we have to do sell on strength or short sell on its strength level, and that strength level is 17.86. So if you have bought this coin at high rates and you want to get exit from this coin, so you can exit from this coin at that strength level, that is also 17.86. So you can go for exit from this coin around 17.86 if you have bought this coin at higher rates. And as this coin has given a breakdown below 15.37 of this arc formation, and now it has exposed three targets on downside, whereas the first target is around 14. That his first target is 14, his second target is 12.48, and his final target on downside is 10.98, that is around 11. So we will see a drop of almost 30% in its prices in upcoming days. So you need to manage your trade accordingly, as this coin has submitted is a new breakdown, so it prices can fall up to 30% in upcoming days. So you, if you have bought this coin, you need to be aware of your stop loss. And if you guys go for if you guys do short selling, then you can see it is a best opportunity for short selling, where you can expect a profit of 30% in this coin for short selling. The next coin is a Polygon, that is MATIC. So if we look at the MATIC against the USDC, currently it is moving in its downtrend, and it has also submitted a new breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 0.2799 in this candle. Currently prices are moving around this breakdown level, and current prices are moving at 0.2820. so as this coin is moving in its downtrend, so our we have to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is a sell on new breakdown, and this coin has submitted a new breakdown at this level, that is 0.2799. And the next strategy that we have to follow in this coin is a sell on strength, and the strength level in this coin will be around 0.3349. so if you want to go for if you guys want to do selling or short selling into this coin, so you can you guys can go for selling or short selling in this coin around its current prices, that those are 0.2833 0.2823. And if the prices move on upside, so you can go for selling on its strength level, that is 0.3349, as it has submitted a new breakdown of this arc formation. It has exposed three targets on downside, where its first target is at 0.2505. It has already been achieved in this candle, and it has a final target of 0.2248 on downside. And we can expect that when it will complete its retracement on upside, it will simply will start coming on downside on its final target, that is 0.2248. so we can expect a drop of almost 20% in its prices in upcoming days. So you need to be aware of your stop loss if you have bought this coin. So if you guys have bought this coin at high rates and now you want to get exit from this coin, so this coin is giving you a chance to exit from it, as it has already submitted a breakdown, and prices are already moving around this breakdown level. So you can go for exit into this coin between 0.2799 and 0.3349. so this zone is the best exit zone from this coin before its prices fall to its final target on low side, that is 0.2248. the next coin after MATIC is TRON, that is TRX. so if we look at the TRX against the USDC, currently it is in its sideways trend, and it is moving in its falling channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is at 0.1963. that is the trend line support of this channel formation, and the resistance of this consolidation zone and this channel formation is at 0.2498. if you guys want to go for buying into this kind, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 0.1963, and after that you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this support of trend line of this channel formation, because if it will give closing below this trend line, it will simply break this channel formation and it will enter into its downtrend, and you can see a huge drop in its prices. So, but if it will sustain above 0.1963, you can go for buying around this level, and stop loss below this trend line. And after that, your first target will be around 0.2255, and your final target will be around 0.2498. So currently prices are moving at 0.2281, and if you want to get exit from this kind, you can exit from this kind at 0.2393. And as this kind is moving on downside from its rejection, so we can expect that its prices will easily fall towards the support of this channel formation in the upcoming days, and that support is 0.1963. So I have discussed these kinds on 1 day time frame. So if you want to get their alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 30 minutes time frame, for such kind of alerts, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. Their links are given in the video description. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. So that's all for now. See you in next video.